When it comes to packing, the difference between a smooth, enjoyable journey and a stressful one often boils down to preparation. After exploring over 30 countries and traveling weekly, I've gathered insights on what's essential, what's not, and how to pack efficiently for any adventure. Here's a comprehensive video to help you pack like a pro with essential travel items, tips, and clever packing hacks. Number 9. Passport and visas. Your passport is your gateway to the world, but it comes with a few critical responsibilities. Ensure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. This is a requirement for many countries, as they don't want travelers stuck on their soil with expired documents. Some nations have tightened entry rules, so double-check the visa requirements specific to your destination. Even for countries that allow visa on arrival, it's wise to research the process and fees to avoid any surprises at the airport. Some destinations also require proof of onward travel, which means having a return or onward ticket ready to show. To safeguard your documents, consider carrying digital copies stored in secure apps like Google Drive or encrypted folders on your phone. This way, if you lose your passport, you'll have backup information that can help with embassy procedures. Number 8. Credit and debit cards. Financial preparedness is essential for a smooth journey, so take a moment to notify your bank of your travel plans. Banks have ramped up security in recent years, and sudden international charges can trigger blocks for suspected fraud. To prevent disruptions, inform your bank about your destinations and consider carrying cards that don't charge foreign transaction fees. Several travel-friendly options, like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Capital One Venture Rewards card, offer no extra fees and sometimes even reward points on foreign purchases. Additionally, packing at least 2 cards can be beneficial if one gets lost or blocked. Using cards is generally safer than cash, especially in countries where pickpocketing is common. However, having a small amount of local currency is wise for small transactions or remote areas where cards aren't widely accepted. Number 7. Multipurpose shoes. Choosing the right footwear can make or break your travel experience. A good pair of multipurpose shoes will save space in your luggage while keeping your feet happy during long exploration days. For instance, a durable pair of walking shoes with good arch support is a must for cities with uneven streets or long distances. Brands like Allbirds and Echo offer stylish options that provide both comfort and durability. Alongside your walking shoes, a versatile dress shoe can help you blend into more formal settings, like nice dinners or cultural events. Consider packing foldable or slip-on dress shoes if space is tight. Since shoes are usually one of the bulkiest items in your bag, wear your heaviest pair during travel days to free up space in your luggage. Number 6. Basic first aid kit. Even if you're in perfect health, a first aid kit can be a lifesaver on the road. Include essentials like Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers for minor injuries and illnesses. Travel can sometimes bring unexpected encounters, like blisters from extra walking, mild cuts, or insect bites. If you have specific needs, such as allergy medicine or digestive aids, bring these along too. Brands like Adventure Medical Kits offer compact, travel-sized options with various items designed for emergencies. For longer trips, you might also add items like rehydration salts, which can help if you experience dehydration or food poisoning. Keep everything in a waterproof case to protect the contents and place it in an easily accessible part of your luggage, as you never know when you might need it. Number 5. Portable charger. A reliable portable charger is essential in today's tech-dependent travel world, as it ensures your phone, camera, and other electronics stay powered throughout the day. The Belkin Power Bank Boost Charge Plus 10 is a top choice, offering enough power to fully charge most smartphones multiple times. Look for models that include fast charging capabilities or multiple USB ports, so you can power up several devices at once. When choosing a portable charger, check the airline regulations for battery capacity. Most airlines cap it at around 27,000 mAh. Keep your charger in your carry-on, as it's one of those items that's best accessible when you're on the move, especially for long flights or remote locations where charging spots are sparse. Number 4. Packing cubes. Packing cubes have become an organization staple for travelers worldwide, transforming messy luggage into neatly sorted compartments. The CalPack Packing Cube set is not only durable but also stylish, making it a practical addition to your packing list. Each cube can be assigned to different types of items. Think clothes in one, electronics in another, and toiletries in a third. These cubes make it easy to unpack without creating chaos, especially if you're hopping from one place to another. Packing cubes are also great for compressing bulky clothing items, allowing you to maximize space in your suitcase. Some travelers even color code their cubes by category, making it a breeze to locate specific items without digging through the entire bag. Number 3. Driver's license. Planning on exploring your destination on 4 wheels? Don't forget your driver's license. Whether you're renting a car for a road trip along scenic coastal highways or just need one for short drives within a city, a valid driver's license is essential. Some countries require an international driving permit along with your domestic license, so be sure to check local regulations well in advance. Rental companies are increasingly strict about verifying identification, so ensure your license is up to date and, if necessary, paired with an IDP. Additionally, having your driver's license can serve as a secondary form of ID, which can come in handy for hotel check-ins or certain activities. Make photocopies of both your license and IDP, and store them separately from the originals. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the driving laws and signage of the country you're visiting. Even seasoned drivers can find it challenging to adjust to different traffic norms, especially in countries where they drive on the opposite side. Number 2. Camera. In the age of smartphones, many travelers rely on their phones for capturing moments. However, if photography is a passion or you're aiming for professional-grade shots, a dedicated camera can make all the difference. DSLR and mirrorless cameras from brands like Canon, Sony, or Nikon offer superior image quality, better zoom capabilities, and adjustable settings that allow you to experiment with lighting, focus, and shutter speed. Compact mirrorless cameras have become more travel-friendly, offering high resolution without the bulk. If you're visiting a place with incredible landscapes or unique wildlife, the clarity and depth of field offered by a dedicated camera can elevate your photos. Consider bringing along a versatile lens such as a 24-70mm, which works well for both wide shots and close-ups. Additionally, if you're venturing to locations where low-light photography is needed, like cityscapes at dusk or nighttime markets, a camera with good low-light performance will outperform most smartphones. Remember to pack extra memory cards, a charger, and a microfiber cloth to keep the lens clean for those perfect shots. Number 1. Travel insurance. Travel insurance is your safety net against unexpected setbacks like trip cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage, turning potential travel nightmares into manageable hiccups. Many travelers are opting for policies covering trip cancellation and interruption, especially with more unpredictable factors like health crisis and extreme weather affecting travel. A comprehensive policy can also include medical coverage, which is crucial for international trips as regular health insurance often doesn't apply abroad, and medical evacuations can cost upwards of $150,000. Coverage for lost or delayed baggage and travel delays is invaluable too, especially since nearly 26% of travelers report luggage issues. Some credit cards offer basic travel insurance, but a standalone policy typically provides more robust protection. Reviewing coverage details and understanding exclusions can help you choose the right plan, offering peace of mind and financial protection as you embark on your adventures. And that's a wrap on our ultimate travel packing checklist. I hope this video helps you pack smart, stay prepared, and make the most of every adventure. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future videos. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.